Hi, it's Zoe from Code Club, and here is episode 3 of This Great Thing.
This Great Thing.
8 years today since my first ever Code Club in a primary school. A lot has changed since then. Congratulations, Paul. What an amazing achievement. It's time to head to London and hear from Rahima.
Thanks, Zoe. Hi guys, I'm here to tell you about our amazing Raspberry Pi Foundation online code club. We've had stress balls, this one doesn't squeak. We've had rockets flying all the way to Earth, and we've had random sparkles. It's been great. I'm going to clean this up. You're heading over to Darren in Ireland.
Within our Code Club, we struggle to engage the children week on week. So after asking them how they'd like to change the session, we introduced the weekly Kahoot quiz. Since doing this, we've seen our weekly numbers rise, along with the overall level of engagement, because they now perceive the session about having fun first and the learning outcomes second.
Today I want to share a story from Ōtautahi, or Christchurch in New Zealand, where 3 teams of primary students pitched their amazing coding ideas. Odette from Mangere Bridge pitched a robotic sieving device to help clean up the waterways in her community. The team from Bromley School shared an idea for a Samoan language learning app. And Ava from Merrin School designed a scratch game to help people stay safe and informed during the pandemic. Your inspiring and creative ideas totally blew us away. Now let's head back to Zoe in Cambridge.
This Great Thing is now moving to a monthly episode. The team and I will be back in November, so keep sharing the great things happening in your club by using the hashtag #MyCodeClub. And remember, you can never have too much of a great thing.